up to this moment, nobody has thought of postponing the examinations, the national examinations, both the primary school exams and the secondary school exams. And to the best of the government's ability, the children are getting online learning, as I stated last week. I would like to state that we have slowed down on preparing for the materials that will be used for grade 5 next year. But in some of those scenarios, we have given options which would still mean that if all goes well, we shall still launch grade 5 come January or February of next year. I also want to tell the parents that they should not be encouraged by anybody to congregate their children to learn together. The children must remain in their homes where they are safe.